to this live session. It's nice to have you here. All right. Today's going to be an amazing one. So the first thing we need to do, let me clear my throat. This is a beautiful one. The first thing we need to do is to talk about the setup. So we're going to talk about that quickly. I'm just checking out this market quickly. Hey Idris, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Hope you're feeling great today. Yes, you're the first person to say hi. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you're feeling great today. Please, I really appreciate if you can just click a like button like immediately. So immediately we enter the live session, let's just hit the like button so that oh Abu, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining today. Yeah, I'm doing great. Thank you so much for asking, and thank you so much for joining. So guys, let's click the like button as soon as we hit the live session so that YouTube can recommend the live to the rest of our friends that are coming. So let's just click the like button like automatically. It's nice to have you here. I hope you're feeling great today. I got your message. I was just smiling when I saw the message. Okay. So let's start with the with the setup quickly because I want to announce the setup. I always like to announce the setup, so that so performance, participation, confirm participation, and confirm. Okay. So this is actually that free tournament I always talk about. So now that we are in right now, Stephen, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much from Kenya. Oh my God, it's nice to have you here. U6N70. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here, guys. As we're joining, please let's go ahead and click the like button. You understand? That would really help. That would really help YouTube to suggest the video to the rest of our friends who are coming. So thank you so much for doing that. Yeah, my brother from Kenya. It's nice to have you here, Steven. Thank you so much. So the first thing, this is just bare bones right now. So the first thing we need to do is to click this button here, and we'll click this. Then the chat type is going to be candlestick. So we need to change to candlestick. Yes, no, you can't withdraw from tournament. The only way you can withdraw from tournament is if you win. Now, to win, you need the tournament usually lasts for 12 hours. So by the time the 12 hours is done, the highest three balances are the ones that win. So you have to just keep going high until the time is out. So once the time is out, they will check the first, second, and third balances. So that's how it is basically. So you have to just keep going, just keep climbing, like keep increasing your balance until the time goes out. So once the time goes out, the three highest balances, they are the ones who are the winners. You understand? So the whole prize pool is $250. The first the first place will take $125. Okay, I'll show you how to do that. I just did it right now, but I guess we're not in the. So the first position would get $125. I think the second one gets 75. Then the last one gets 50. I can't remember how they do it. I've forgotten, but they just share it within three people like that. So let me go back again so that I will show you how to be in the tournament. So now, if you are using an app, it's not going to work. Can I join the tournament with my real fund? No, you cannot. You don't need your real funds to do that. Hey, Lily, how are you? It's nice to have you here, Lily. Thank you so much for joining. You don't need money to join the tournament. You understand? You just need to you just need an account, and you have to be verified. If you are not verified, you won't be able to join. So if you want to join, this is where you go. You see this icon down here is a tournament thing. So once you click on it, you understand, you'll see the list. It's a free one. So right now I've entered already, but if you have not entered, you see the free one, just click on it and it will bring you into the interface. So when you get it, it's gonna be like this. Let me show you quickly. It's gonna be like this, like bare bones. So you have to set it up. So I'm announcing the setup right now. So our chat type is candlesticks. Then you enable this timer and we disable this auto scroll thing here. Then we'll go to time frame. We choose M1. So we're trading M1 today. And the next thing I will set is this straight time here, this one down here. I normally use M1, but I told you that I normally use flag mode. You understand? I always use flag. So this is the regular mode right now. And if you click on this is flag mode. Hope they will not remove funds from my account. No, they won't. They won't remove funds from your account. How do I get paid if I win? Once you win, they are going to email you that you've won. Then the next thing you're going to do, they will give you a link to click. Now inside your tournament too, you can see there they will give you a button to click to receive your prize. So once you click on it, they will deposit the money into your balance. It's as simple as that. So as I was saying, this is flag mode. And once you click M1 in flag mode, the next thing you need to do is to make sure that your trade time, the second hand is on 0. It has to always be on 0. If you don't set this, when your trade expires, hey, it's nice to have you here, Miss Cherry Coco. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you're feeling great today. So what I was saying is, if you don't set this second hand correctly, if it's probably on 1 or 2 or another number, when the candle closes, your trade is not going to close on that candle. Your trade is going to close on the next candle, which that's not what you want. You want it to close when the candle closes. Yes, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. I'm fine too. Thank you so much for asking. I hope you're feeling great today. So now that we set everything, I'm going to set my trade percentage to 12.5%. So we'll start with that. Let's check the market quickly and see what we can make of it. I kind of like this market. Well, let's do a top-down analysis on this market right now. So you can see now we have this demand here, area here, and price has broken this. Miss Cherry Coco, I couldn't see your last message. Please, can you resend it? So you can see we are currently on M15 right now, but look at this. We have that this is an area of resistance in the market, and price has rejected, but it finally broke. And you know what I told you, when we have a breakout like that of a level, you understand, if it's a resistance area, should I trade with you today or should I not? No, you don't have to trade with me, guys. Don't forget to. Okay, thank you so much. Yes, Miss Cherry Coco is trying to remind everybody to hit the like button. So, guys, please let's follow that. Go ahead and hit the like button right now. We need to get the like count up so that YouTube can recommend the video to the rest of our friends. So thank you so much for joining. I hope you're feeling great today, guys. If you are new here, just send me a hi in the comment section. It doesn't matter if you are new or not, just send a hi in the comment section. Let me give you a shout out, okay? Then also if you are new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Just subscribe to the channel. You understand, there's so much value on this channel right now. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Gemword is in the house, guys. Everybody, Gemword is in the house. Gemword is one of the OGs on this channel right now. So anytime she comes around right now, I always make it a point of duty to, to recognize. Thank you so much, Gemworld. I hope you're feeling great today. Now, if you want to be like Gemworld and you want to support the channel, please go ahead and make use of the super chat, the super chat, the super thanks, and the super stickers. Yes, and I would, I would really appreciate if you can. We have this Barter-Pro YouTube membership, so if you can join the Barter-Pro YouTube membership, that would really be awesome. You understand? I'm going to talk more later about the membership and what the advantage you may get from that. So currently, right now, price is coming into this demand area. We're currently on M15, so we have a demand area down here. Let's go down to M5. Let's do a top-down analysis. Hey, King Rex, it's nice to have you here. Wow, it's your first time. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, King Rex. Hope you're feeling great today. Yes, guys, let's welcome King Rex. He's one of our new friends in the house. Thank you so much, King Rex. Hey, Subteria. Yeah, my brother from South Africa. It's nice to have you here. I love these emojis. They are so nice. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Gemworld. You know, Gemworld is one of those superstars right now. Everybody wants to be like you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. King Rex. Thank you so much also. So price is coming into this supply. You can see M5 also confirms that supply, the demand area. I mean that demand. So let's go back to down to M3. Okay, fine. We have another entry inside M3. So let's fine tune that entry quickly. So this is the entry. This is M3 supply. Price is coming to that M15 demand. I keep saying supply. I don't know why. It's a demand area. So let me mark this also as the demand area. So let's check M1 now. I'm sure we'll probably, okay. Oh, there's a QM. Can you imagine? In fact, guys, this is a very nice one now. It's a QM. It's a QM with an M3 confirmation. Now, you see, anytime we have a QM, remember what I always say. The first thing we need to do is to go to M3. But we've gone to M3 already to find the engulf. You can see the engulf is there already. So the next thing we'll do, we'll go to lower time frame. We'll go and look for entry under this QM shoulder. I can't see the entry yet. So let's go down to, okay. This is a very good one. This is a very good trade. This is a very good trade. So your question, Mujid. This is a very good trade, actually. This is a very good trade. The only challenge I have with this trade is that it's what do I call it? It's a late entry. But the thing is, if we find enough reasons, we can go with the buyers. Immediately price comes into this entry. So because the distance is long, I'm going to put a line here. Then I'll go back to, and I'll trace the line with this. Then I'll remove the line later. So fine. So we found the entry. We found the entry here. So if price comes into that entry, we will go with the buyers. Immediately it enters. You understand? We'll go with the buyers. So you see, this kind of QM trade, you don't have to wait for candle close. You understand? Immediately it enters, you go with the buyers. So immediately price comes into this entry. We'll go with the buyers. That's how it is. But remember that we've been having all this area we are currently in a demand area in a time frame. So you see, all this area now is buyers area. Buyers can come in at any time. So we can wait for, in fact, you know what? Because we're in the buyers area, let's mark the buyers entry also. Let's mark the buyers entry. You see, the buyers came in here. The buyers came in here also. The buyers came in here also. So we can mark this buyers entry. We could have taken this trade, this particular trade, that this first green candle here. At least we're doing a top-down analysis, and we've gotten that already. There's another thing I want to do here. It's very unorthodox, but is necessary. I'm gonna mark this seller's entries like this, and somebody will be wondering, why didn't I mark it from this one? I'll tell you why. You see, all the activity above this area is a fake out, and that's why we have this double top. You understand? So some people will mark it like this, and they are not wrong actually. Let me tell you how some people would have marked it. Some people would have marked it like this, and they are not wrong. But you know, sometimes if you have a little bit of experience highs, you can see things what everybody cannot see like that. So it happens. Okay, over here we have sellers here too. This is the supply area. Let's mark the supply. That's why sellers are rejecting here. So far so good. We've not seen any opportunity, but what we are doing right now is just to map the market and see where the sellers and the buyers are. You understand? So if price had closed inside this supply, I would have gone with the sellers, but price did not close there, so there's no point stressing over that. Hey Skyline, it's nice to have you here. Yeah, we should sell, Abby. No problem. You understand? As soon as the price comes back into that entry, now we have a gap down. We cannot sell here again. Price may just break this level and to the upside. But what I was gonna do is to look for a very good the lower time frame entry in this area. Hey Sonto John, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. I hope you are feeling great today. Guys, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you're new here. You understand? And if you've done that already, please go ahead and click the like button. Thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate you guys. You understand? We're just trying to take the best trades, okay? So I was going to go to the lower time frame to find the entry. We seem to have some very strong rejections from the supply area. Okay, fine. I've seen that entry we're talking about. Yes, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Skyline. Okay, cool. Can you see the hour time frame for 2 seconds? I really don't understand that question, but for 2 seconds. Yes, it's nice to have you here. Hey, Claysley, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Yeah, the bread and butter gang. Hey, Ray, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that, Ray. Yes, hope the session is going well. Yes, it's going well. It's going well. I saw. Okay, you see what I was talking about the buyers pushing to the upside. Now we have an entry here. Let's take advantage of this entry. I'm expecting a pullback. I hope the pullback happens because that this thing was very. Sorry, I couldn't see that message. Skyline, I'm coming. I'll check now. Can you show us the hour time frame? Okay, I'll do that. What platform is this? Okay, this pocket option. Great. Hey Retro, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much, Retro. King Rex, yes. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Okay, that trade did not go well. But don't worry, I'll tell you why I took the trade. There's another supply area up here. We will take advantage of that one too and see. I'm trying to set a lot of things quickly. Oh, really? Wow. Well, guys, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Um, it was just telling me that we have 37 of you right now. Thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate. Yes, I will sell if immediately enters the supply area here. We have a supply up here. I'm gonna sell. Immediately enter the supply, I will sell. Oh wow, that's serious. Oh, we have a lot of friends joining in today. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. I really appreciate it. I think this is a double bottom, and the buyers are trying to go up. That's why we have this. Normally, if I had a gap down, I would have gone with the buyers, but because of the gap up, that's why I'm not going with buyers. But we have a supply area here. Guys, thank you so much for joining. Please go ahead and click that subscribe button. I really appreciate if you can do that. And please, guys, go ahead and click the like button also, so that YouTube can recommend the video to the rest of our friends. If you remember this trend line I drew the other time, I bypassed this double top here. You understand? This is the reason why. I'll tell immediately price cross this trend line now. I'll go with the sellers. I'm expecting a pullback from here. Okay, let's just go now. We have a gap up in favor of the sellers. We'll take one more. I'm going in with 3 entries right now. I'm expecting a pullback. So let's see how that goes. I'm expecting a red candle here, and I'll tell you why. You remember I drew a line here. Let me remove some of these lines so that you can see it clearly. I'll remove this. Okay, cool. Let me remove one more too. I'll remove this too so that I can see clearly. Then let me remove this line that I drew. I told you that it's not wrong, but it's not. That was not what. Okay, now look at this. You know, I drew this line from here. I drew it. I just boycotted this double top, and I drew this. Somebody be wondering like, why did you draw your line like that? That's wrong. And indeed, that's not how I teach people to draw lines. But see, a little bit of experience will tell you. Hey Jeremiah, it's nice to have you here. So option is more. Yes, exactly. It's just like when you're trading contracts in futures contracts in forex. You understand? But this one is for a very short period of, like, this 1 minute trade right now. So it's like trading a 1 minute future contract. That's best way for me to like explain it to somebody who is in forex. Now, for the person that asked, the platform is called Pocket Option. The broker link, the current broker we're using now, the link is in the description below. You can click that broker link, and it will take you straight to the platform where this same platform right now. So you can register. You understand? Once you are done registering, now if you are new here, please pay attention. It's very important that you listen to this instruction. So click the link in the description below. It will take you to the platform. Now, once you get to the platform, the next thing you have to do is to register. Once you are done registering, as a beginner, I have something packaged for you already. There's a playlist in this channel right now. It's called Binary Options for Beginners. Please go ahead, click that playlist, and watch all the 16 videos. I have like 16 videos there for you. Please go ahead and watch it. You understand? Now, they will give you a demo account. You can use that demo account to practice. You are not going to start, like, please don't load money immediately. You need to learn first. The reason why I'm here is to educate you, is to teach you, you understand, how to navigate the market correctly, like the correct way. You understand? There's a lot of wrong ways to do it. And trust me, you understand, the consequence of that wrong going the wrong way is not a good thing. Please go listen to this instruction. I know that a lot of people are in a hurry to make money, but don't be in a hurry this time around. You understand? Just take a little bit of time to learn, okay? That learning process is very important. Once you do that, you'll be fine. Trust me. You understand? You will make a lot of profits, but right now you need to learn. That learning process is very important. So now, you after getting your registered and registering your account, you practice. When you get to a point where you feel you are all right, oh, we have this red green pattern, but I will take a trade down here when it comes into this demand area. You understand? So once you gotten your account and it's all set, you understand, watch all those videos. If you have any questions, put in the comment section. I will answer you. Okay. Now, if you're a seasoned trader and you just want to like take it up a notch and watch advanced videos, there's a video down. Okay, I'll take the trade right now. Oh, we have a gap up. I wanted to go with the buyers, but this gap up is probably going to change the I'm expecting a green candle, but that gap up may change. But let's see. Don't no worries, Sha. So as I was saying, you understand. So if you're a seasoned trader and you want to watch or you want to learn from my live trades, like my real account trades, now there's a particular playlist called Live Trade Sessions. Click on that live trade session playlist. I have about 100 videos there. Watch as many as you can or as you want. You understand? Just watch the videos. Those videos will really help you. In those videos, I teach all the strategies I'm using here. I've taught everything there. Now, if you are the type that wants a one-on-one class, like you want a one-on-one mentorship, you want me to take you personally, you understand? The link to join the Barter-Pro mentorship is inside the description right now. It's the Telegram channel link. So click the Telegram channel link and send me a message in Telegram. You understand? Once you send me a message on Telegram, you understand, we will discuss your that was a winning trade. Yeah, thank you so much, Miss Cherry. So as it is right now, you understand. So once you get to Telegram, there's a tag. It's called Barter-Pro mentorship. You understand? Hey, Gayan, it's nice to have you here. Budika. Thank you. I'm sorry if I butchered that name, but thank you so much for joining. I hope you're feeling great today. So click the Telegram channel link. When you get to Telegram, there's a tag called Barter-Pro mentorship. Click on it. It will bring you straight to my personal chat room. Then we'll be able to like discuss about your mentorship. I'll give you all the details you need to know when we're going to start, how we're going to start, how it's going to be, everything. You're going to get it, all the information. You understand? And that's just how it is basically. So thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate you guys. Now, I also do consulting for. Yes, it's nice to have you here. That's exactly what I'm saying. So you can just click that Telegram channel link. Now, for those seasoned traders, maybe you don't need the whole Barter Pro mentorship, but you probably maybe need a little bit of brush up on one particular strategy or the other. No problem, I've got you covered. What you need to do, click that Telegram channel link, send me a message and book a session. You understand? You can book an hour session, you can book a 2 hour session, whatever questions you have or whatever thing you need help with. You understand? Within that time frame, I'll be able to like assist you, and we can brush up on whatever thing you need to brushing on. All right, so that's just a lowdown basically. So if you need me to teach you, go ahead, click that Telegram channel and send me a message. It's as simple as that. All right, so the let's get back to the charts. That was a very good trade actually. That was a beautiful one. Now let me explain why I took this trade. You see, down here we have a demand area. You see, demand areas are where the buyers are in the market, like where the buyers pitch their tents. Let's put it that way. You understand? So that's where the buyers are, and immediately I told you that from the top down analysis we did in M15. You see this whole area. Let me mark it again so that you see it. This time around, I'll probably mark it a neutral color. If I can see a neutral color there, I'll just. You see this whole area. Let's mark it as a neutral color so that is this black neutral? Let me see. I know white is neutral, but I don't want to use white. Okay, fine. Let's go back to M1. This is fine. It's fine. So you see all this area. These are buyers areas. So immediately price comes into this area. We know that the buyers are going to take over the market from here. You understand? It's as simple as that. Basically, there's no big deal here. So you can see the buyers are pushing the price up right now. Look at it. You understand? We have a 1 minute. This is a 1 minute demand area, and the buyers are pushing the price up. But now, you see, these buyers are exhausted now. I'm expecting that the sellers will come down into this buyer's entry. Then they will touch this M15 entry. Then we can go with the buyers one more time. You understand? Now we are going to need more confirmation. And you see, part of that confirmation is this, where I'm already seeing it. We have a third breakout here. Look at it. First touch high, second touch high. Now we can go with the buyers again. Oh, we have another gap up. You see, this gap up now can change the probability of us winning the trade. Because I was expecting the buyers to give us a green candle. You understand? But we have a gap up, and you see, anytime you have gap ups are in favor of the sellers. You understand? I guess these buyers here, they are very, very strong. That's why they keep pushing up the price. You know, so let's see if the buyers will hold up the price and give us a winning trade. It happens like that a lot of time. Now another thing, if you look at this, now we have this. If you count all these red candles, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth candle is expected to be a divergence. You understand? There's this strategy called fifth candle theory. You understand? It says when you have four a series of candles going in a certain direction. Usually the fifth candle is a divergent. It means if you have, like, look at this, we have one, two, like all the red candles now, they are going in a direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the fifth candle will become a divergent. So we can combine that now. So all the reason why we took this trade is, number one, we're in the demand area. Number two, we just crossed another demand area, an M1 demand area too. That's second reason. The third reason is that we have a third breakout. You understand? The fourth reason is the fifth candle theory. You understand? The only reason against us is this gap up. You understand? And you can see the buyers down here, they don't care about the gap up. They just push the price up. That's why we won the trade. So I had count 5 red before looking for green. No, it's actually the fifth candle. They call it fifth candle theory. You understand? It's all over the market. Like, if you check the market, you will see fifth candle theory play out. But fifth candle theory does not just play out on its own. You understand? There's always a reason why the fifth candle pulls back. Let me see if I can find. Okay, look at this. Is it? Okay, this is not the fifth candle theory. But look at this. The reason why this one pulled back is not because we have 5 candles. You understand? It's because we're currently in a demand area. So it is the demand and supply that moves the market. Look at this. This is a demand area here. This is buyer's area. So price, you understand, the touched always play out with something else. Okay, look at this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth candle here is a divergence. But it's not just about counting what do you call it? It's not just about candles. No, there has to be a reason why. Like, there has to be other reasons you have to combine with your fifth candle theory. You understand? So I usually don't use fifth candle theory as a main strategy. I use it as a confirmation. You understand? I use it as a confirmation. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see now we have fifth candle theory here. But if I tell you, it's not just because it's the fifth candle. It's probably a reason somewhere down here. Like, if you check, okay, fine, you can see we have a demand area here. That's why that fifth candle theory works. You understand? So there's always a reason apart from that fifth candle theory. But you see, that fifth candle theory can be an added confirmation. Yes, let's put it that way. It's more like a confirmation. You get. So that's how you can combine concepts. So the first thing you need to do is to understand and learn all those concepts first, because it is those concepts now that will help you to make decisions in the market. You get. Okay. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. You can see it's a demand area. So the fifth candle closed inside the demand area and the buyers came in. You understand? So these are one of those things that you can do. I remember I told you the other time, for some days I've been telling you that traders don't think in terms of 100% surety. Like, you don't have to be sure to take your trades. No, you don't have to be 100% sure about a trade to take it, but you have to be able to calculate the highest probability. So traders think in probabilities. They don't think in shorty. You understand? They don't think in, like, 100%. Okay, I'm very sure about this. Let me take this trade. You can be sure about it. You've seen many times I've been sure. Like, I've been very sure about a trade, and I actually still lost the trade. You'll be wondering why. Because it's all about probability. You understand? But knowing that we have a high probability alone is enough to take the trade. You understand? So let's look for another very good opportunity in the market. We may find a very good one. This is a double bottom. The buyers are going to like push aggressively to the upside. But this is a range also. We can see it as a range. We can see it as being inside the range. So we don't know how many times they are going to like go back and forth inside the range before they push to the upside. But you see, from what I'm looking at right now, this is a double bottom. And anytime that you see a double bottom, the market is telling the buyers it is time to buy. Yes, that's what is happening. Now this candle may be a red candle. It may be a red candle because this may be a 3 bar up pattern, and it may just push the price to the downside from here. So there's a whole lot of scenario that can play out right now. So if you don't know what can play out yet, the best thing to do is to just watch the market. Just keep an eye on it and see what's happening. It's as simple as that. Now, if we have a gap up, we can go with the sellers. Especially if the gap up is on this round number, we can go. Let me see. Your message looking like a head and shoulders pattern. Yes, a head and shoulders pattern. But the way I'm looking at it right now, we may have the sellers coming. But I'm trying to like see what risk you can combine. You understand? Because that's the best. That's how you can get the best. I think we have a gap up. I probably will go with the sellers because now we have this common point of rejection. You know what? Let's go with small amounts. If price cross this common point of rejection, we'll go with the sellers, especially if it goes above this round number, because round numbers can serve as SNRs, support and resistance. So if it pulls back, I'm expecting a pullback from that round number. Let's see if that happens. We have 10 seconds. Okay, that's good. Now, the reason why I went with small amounts is because the probability of the buyers just pushing into the market is high too. So when you have a probability that is high on both ends, it's either you avoid the trade and you don't take the trade, or you go with small amounts, so that even if you lose the small amount, it doesn't affect your balance that much. And if you win it, then more to your balance. You understand? So I still have a feeling that the price will just go up. So let's see if that's going to happen. But I'll just keep an eye on this market. Let's keep an eye on it. Oh, the payout amount has reduced, but no problem. We'll check the rest of the markets. Okay, you can see the price channel now. It's beginning to act like a price channel. The buyers came in from that. Remember this area we marked, this M15 demand we marked. Now the buyers they are pushing to the upside now. So the next place we are going to expect them now is this place. We have some sellers here. So if price comes back into the sellers area, we will take another trade. And also we have another demand here. So let me mark this demand again. So there are some sellers here again. But you see, if you want to take a trade based on these sellers now, what you need to do is to go to lower time frame. We will check for an entry inside that area. I'm looking for an entry inside here. There's one down here, but I'm not going to concern myself with that. Let's look for an entry inside. Oh, there's a QM. Can you imagine? This is beautiful. I found the entry. You see that entry is good. It's kind of now the probability of this entry now is about 80% that we're going to. It means that this kind of entry now we have 80% chance of winning it. So what we're going to do now is that immediately price enters into this entry, we will go with the sellers. We're not taking a trade, like, you understand. We'll just go with the sellers straight. Let me remove some of this. Read your message. What is QM? Oh, Okay, hey, ADBC, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Sorry, I didn't see your message when it came. Now, I will explain. Explaining QM now is going to take a while, but you see, there are videos on QM I've made. It's inside that live trade session. You need to go inside that live trade sessions and watch all those videos. You understand? You see, most of your questions I've answered them already. You get the gist, and I would really love to answer some of your questions. So, but if I'm not able to answer the question, I'll point you at where the answer is. Okay, you understand? But don't worry, I will do my best to see if I can answer your question. Um, okay, fine. We have a setup. Let's keep an eye on this setup. We'll mark it as a favorite. So we have two markets we're looking out for now. Oh no, this is not the markets. This is not the market. Where is that market? It was at 82. Okay, okay, fine. You can see now the buyers have come in just like I predicted. That the buyers they are going to come in. Oh no, I know that market was AED something. I think it changed. Okay, this is it. Let's mark it 88. We'll keep an eye on it. I don't know why they change this payout amount sometimes. They just change it all of a sudden. We can go with the buyers after this. If we have a gap down, we are back in that buyers zone. There's no gap down, so I'm not going to go with the buyers. I'm expecting a green candle, but I don't have enough reason to go with the buyers. Or you know what? Let's see if we can find a lower time frame entry. I'm going to go with small amounts, even if I see the entry, because okay, let's go with the buyers with small amounts. So even if we lose this amount, it's not going to affect our balance that much. I'm expecting a green candle. Let me see. Let me check S5. Okay. The entry is down here. I've seen the entry. If it comes all the way down here, this 2.02700, I can take the trade. I'll take one more trade. Okay. I'm expecting push to the upside. So let's see if that's going to happen. So that's why I went with small amounts. Okay. So we won one, we lost the other, but no problem. That's break even for us. Hey, love N1K7. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. I hope you're feeling great today. Yes, we have some very amazing friends in the house right now. It's nice to have you here, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Now, please, guys, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Hey, Solomon. It's nice to have you here. Thank you, Solomon Marcos. Thank you so much for joining. I'm so grateful you are here, and thank you so much. I hope you guys are enjoying this live streaming session. So please go ahead and click the subscribe button if you have not subscribed already. You understand? There's so much value on this channel right now. You're gonna really just feel at home. We are here for you. You understand? We're here to educate each other and help each other at the same time. Yo, Alex, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much, Alex. I hope you're feeling great today. I hope you're feeling great today. Thank you very much. Hey, Kafi, it's nice to have you here so much. Yes, we have some new guys here. Thank you so much. Guys, please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you so much. Just go ahead and subscribe. Thank you very much. There's so much value on this channel right now. Okay, I think this market is up to something. Let's mark the now. If anytime you have a market like this, hey Remy Budget, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Yeah, thank you very much. This market is up to something. Let's quickly mark something here right now. Look at this. Anytime you see a market like this, oh wow, from India, wow, that's good. Thank you so much. It's not. We have a lot of friends from India actually. We have some of our friends from Russia. You can comment your country down below. Let me give your country a shout out. Yes, you can just comment your country in the description below. I mean in the comment section below. So anytime you have a market like this, there are two things quickly. Wow. Okay, Remy is from Cameroon. Thank you so much for joining from Cameroon. Yeah, Solomon is from Niger. Yes, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much, Solomon from Nigeria. Yes. Yes, it's a tournament actually. Yes, thank you so much. Now look at this. In this market now, we have this area of resistance and we have the support down there. Oh wow, wow. Coffee is from Uganda. Yes, it's nice to have you here. Oh, thank you so much, Retro. I really appreciate. Yeah, Charles, XG. How does the tournament system work? Okay, I'll tell you. Yeah, Shola is from Chicago. Shola sounds like a Nigerian name, but I know we're all over the place. Shola, thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Yes. Yeah, we have Retro from South Africa. Thank you so much. So Charles, I'm gonna tell you how the tournament works. Basically, this is how it is. So when you, they usually start the tournament early in the morning, yeah, and it lasts for 12 hours. Okay, someone's from UAE. Hey, Azan. Yes, I remember you. I remember Azan right now from UAE. You understand? Thank you so much for joining. I hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. It's been a while, though. How far now? It's been a while. Hope you're feeling great today, Azan. Thank you so much for joining. I remember you. Yes. Okay. I remember all my friends. I remember all of you by heart. So if we've had a chat before, if you've come on the yeah, it's all good. Thank you so much. If you've come on the live, if you've commented before, I remember all of you. Trust me, I do. I'm very good like that. So over here right now, the tournament, the way it works is you start the tournament, and at the end of there's a certain hours, I think 12 hours. So once the tournament ends, the three highest balances, they are the winners. It's as simple as that. So you just keep increasing your balance, keep increasing your balance until the tournament closes. So once it closes, they will choose the first, second, and third, and those are the ones that win the prize. But I'm not actually doing that. I'm just using the tournaments to explain because it's the closest you can get to the real market right now. You understand? So that's how it works. Thank you so much, love. It's nice to have you here. So now we have this support and resistance here. No, no, no. You don't need to have money in your live account. You understand? But you need to be registered and your registration needs to be confirmed. Like you need to confirm your registration needs to be completed before you can enter for the so the link to register is in the description below, the broker link. I've tagged it to the broker link. So just click on the broker link and it will take you to the platform. You can register there. Once you complete your registration, you can come back and watch more videos. I have videos for beginners. You can check the playlist. You see it there. It's called binary options for beginners. You see it right there. It's over there. You understand? So it's as simple as that, basically. Now I want to take this trade. So let's now we have the support down here and we have the resistance above. Now what we need to do anytime you see price break a support area, that support area automatically becomes a resistance. So what we need to do, we need to go to lower time frame and find the area of the point of decision where the decision was made to break this level. You can see we've been going down now, we've not seen it, but we'll keep going down until we find it. Look at this. This is it. This is the point of decision. Yes, it's pocket option. Yes, Solomon. So this is the area of decision. This is where the decision was made. So what do? We'll mark that decision point. Immediately price touches that decision point, we will go with the sellers. Immediately, we go opposite the market movements. Immediately price comes into this area. We are not waiting, no hesitation, just go with the seller straight. You understand? And what will happen, or what we expect to happen is that immediately price touches here, we expect it to have a pullback and give us a winning trade. It's as simple as that. So please repeat what you said about the challenge, how it works. Okay. Now this is challenge. The tournament, the way it happens is you enter for the tournament. Now it normally lasts for 12 hours. You understand? They have other ones for 1 hour, 2 hours, blah blah. You understand? But this particular one is for 12 hours. So everybody starts in the morning like that, and they will give you 100 tournament points. I think they call it 100T. So everybody starts with 100, and you keep You keep increasing your balance. So at the end of the 12th hour, when the tournament is over, the first, like the highest three people who have with the highest balances, they're the winners. So it's as simple as that. I need 50 USD. No, no. We don't give handouts here. You understand? We don't give handouts here. What we Okay, please, the network should not do anyhow. Okay, please, the network should not do anyhow. The network should not do anyhow. I don't want the network to go. Um guys, please let me send it. Okay, thank God, the comment section is working. What days of the week do you it's 24/7. The tournament goes 24/7. Every day of the week, 7 days a week. It keeps going. You understand? 24/7. It doesn't stop. It's every day. They keep making it every day. They do it every day. There are some for like every hour, but the one we are currently in right now is the daily one. So now immediately price comes into this entry, we are going with the sellers. So we'll wait for this. Let's keep an eye on these markets. Now let's check the rest of the market we've marked, because I'm expecting here. Look at this. The same thing is happening here. So what do we do? Let me clear this. I will look at this. This is an area of the same thing we have in the previous market we just marked now. This is an area of resistance. You're supposed to have WhatsApp. I have a Telegram channel. There's a Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. You understand? Just click on Telegram channel link. It will bring you to the Telegram channel. You understand? Just click the Telegram channel link in the description, and it will bring you to the Telegram channel link where you can send me a message. To send me a message, there's a tag in the Telegram channel called Barter-Pro mentorship, at Barter-Pro mentorship. So just click on it, and it will bring you to where we can actually chat. Jada Dale found I can't pronounce your name, but thank you so much for joining. I hope you're feeling great today. I'm so sorry I butchered that name, but I was trying to pronounce it. I couldn't at all. I'm so sorry. But thank you so much for joining. I hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Thank you very much. Okay. Brian, show me how to deposit with withdraw balance. Now, if you want to know how to deposit, I have a video there. Let me just send it to that video, because I won't be able to show you here right now. You understand? How to deposit on is you see those the banner option for beginners. I have it inside that playlist. The video you are looking for. So if you have watched that playlist, you would have gotten the answer to your question. You understand? So that playlist section, the banner option for beginners. Can't hear anymore. Okay, you can't hear anymore. All right, you know what, guys? Let me refresh this. Let me refresh this live stream. I think because of the network, you won't be able to hear. I'll be back. Okay. Okay. If you say you cannot hear, let me quickly do this. I will. We want to reconnect.